Hey, what's up, guys? Dustin here from Initiative. Today, we're going to look at skills on the daily chart, and we're going to give you an idea of how to play it in here. All right, so we're currently trading at 1965. You can see we broke below that 23.6 fib level, and we also breached this 200-day moving average. So going forward, what's going to be our support now? We're kind of in no man's land. Well, you have this 50-day moving average sitting right here, right around 1836. Are we going to get that low? Not sure. And if we do, we're going to bounce? Not sure as well. Our support below that will be right down here around $15, but I don't think we're going to get just down there just yet. I believe we are slowly making some higher lows here. Okay. So going forward, what we're looking for, we want to see a hold of this 50-day moving average. That's currently trading right at that $18 mark. And then we want to get back above this 23.6 fib level. And then we'll work our way up to this 22 resistance. And then we can finally work our way to this 38.2 fib level up here, right around $25. RSI in here, 48, stochastics, 57. Nothing really too much to worry about in here as far as relative strength index, but we're just more or less watching these fib levels in here. Now, how would we play this? Our assumption is obviously we think that it is going to go up, right? We think that we're making higher lows in here, or at least we're going to consolidate a little bit, but we're not really quite sure exactly if we're going to confirm all those levels or not. So what are we looking at in here? Well, we're going to go out in August. All right. We do have earnings on August 3rd, but we're not going to be worrying about that because we're not going to hold it through earnings. Okay. This is going to be a trade that we're going to place. It's going to be, our expiration date is going to be past the earnings cycle, but we're not going to hold this past earnings. Okay. So what we're going to do in here is we're looking at the IV. Our IV rank is around 23. That's perfect for us. We can go ahead and sell some premium in here. Our raw IV in here is right around 105 percent, and that gives us a right around a $4.43 expected move in August. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to sell a reverse Jade Lizard. So what we're going to do is we're going to start it out like a strangle. We're going to sell the 17.5 and we're going to sell the 25 call. Okay, so the 17.5 put and the 25 call. But since that 17, we had to come in there and get some premium in there, and that's a little too close to being at the money for us, even though it is just a 31 delta. Still $4 expected move, and we're only $2 away. Not really sure if we like that. Don't really want to get long shares in here at Skills if it gets down that low. I don't want to be owning at 17.5 when definitely I think I can probably own it at 15. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the long strike on the 12.5 puts, and that's going to create a reverse Jade Lizard. So our max loss to the downside is only going to be the width of our spread on the puts minus the credit received. Okay. So that's perfectly fine with us. We don't have to worry about getting long strike. The only problem that we do have is that Skills could just bust through 25 and then we have to end up buying and then selling at 25 there. But we also have that credit of the credit that we're going to receive for that. So it kind of offsets it a little bit. So nothing too bad to worry about in here. Around we're $6 away from our short call. We have a $4 expected move in there. Not really worried about it, especially because we're not holding through earnings. That's where you get your big moves and your vol swings. So we're definitely going to take this off early. So we have the 12.5, 17.5 put spread along with the bull put spread along with a short 25 call that gives us a reverse Jade Lizard. And what that is that's going to be a credit position. Okay, so that's going to give us a credit of around $2.49. That gives us a delta of -7, theta of 3, and probably a profit of right around 60%. So that's what we're looking for, right in that 60% range. Again, we are a little leery on that put side, so that's why we went ahead and slapped that long on there, just in case. We didn't really get long 17.5. We'd rather be long 15, something like that. So that's why we went ahead and protected ourselves. So receiving a credit of 249. We'll see how this works out. We need a little bit of a bullish to neutral move in here for us, just kind of even everything out. Even though our delta is technically negative, we will take just a small little bullish move first and then get a nice little contraction. But we'll see what happens in here. Keep an eye on these fib levels. Keep an eye on that 200-day moving average in here going forward. And we'll see if we can work our way back up to that mid $20 range. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. I'm Dustin from Initiative. For more trade ideas and analysis like this, click that like and follow button, and then also subscribe to our channel at initiativebrand.com. You can get plenty more of ideas like this sent to your phone via text. via text straight to your phone right when they happen, and tons more in our chat and trading room. So initiativebrand.com, please go check it out. Thanks for all your support, guys. I am Dustin. I will talk to you guys later. Thanks.